They're the ones that do both.
All right.
So that's
So you want to get the
yeah, for when it's cold.
Dyson, yeah,
These ones are
and also,
just fan.
okay. Hubby's unboxing the Dyson Hot and Cool.
Yeah. Okay.
And this one also we can use, and when it's winter, you can just use the heater. Yes, as you can see, we don't have aircon in here. Yeah. So this Dyson air purifier hot and cold have a remote, an amplifier loop, standby on and off button, LCD screen. There's a filters inside, a shroud release button. So best room placement for optimum performance. Place it away from draughts or radiators. Also keep doors and windows closed during use. Oh. So it's not only a fan, but it's only a purifier, air purifier. Oh my God. So it's on. It's like an aircon. Yeah. Very good.
She goes the wrong way. I don't want it. I said that. Oh, she just spins. I know.
I thought it's a 360 degree. Very clever. The one who invented that. Great idea. Is that rotating 360 degrees?
It is.
Oh.
Oh no.
No.
It was, I pushed it a couple of times. I've got to look at what comes up. 350 degrees, hang on. Oh, 45 degrees. Oh, yes, this is. See, it'll just. Oh, yeah, see? You can set how many degrees
Oh,
for
okay.
the oscillation instead of it going right around.
All right.
So no oscillation, 45, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 350, almost 360.
Yeah, almost
It'll go
360.
350.
Aside from it's rotating 45 to 350, you can tilt it also. See? Oh, wow.
Oh, hand it all the way.
Okay. Very clever.
Different angles.
Yeah, very clever.
But it's also your purifier. Cleans your air.
Yeah, and also a purifier. And there's a taller than that one, is it?
But it's only cool.
Ah,
not
okay.
The
So
big
this
ones
size
have heat.
have heat. Cool and heat.
Yeah. So no heat on the taller ones.
Yeah.
Cool only.
It's a bit pricey.
But all the Dyson stuff is.
All the Dyson are
Yeah,
pricey.
well that vacuum out there, that'll be $1,000. the Dyson.
Yeah.
They're
Dyson products are a
the
bit dearer.
latest technology.